Hello guys, today I will be playing Ultra Custom Night again, and I'm going to try to master, actually no, I'm going to be playing Fortnite, and I'm going to try to master a challenge, and that challenge is going to be, actually, I'm going to play Animal Crossing. Let me sit in my chair. Okay guys, I'm going to be playing Animal Crossing. It's going to be fun. This is going to be fun. Now, so guys, sorry I've been hiding my Animal Crossing from you. You guys can see me now again. I'm sorry for hiding it from you. It's just that every time I try to actually upload it, it doesn't upload. It's like an error of it uploading. So I'm just gonna make this a short video of me. Also, hello guys, if you're new. Hello, my name is Aiden Kikadu. My name is Luke, actually, but my name is Aiden Kikadu, and this is the Awesome Me channel. Also, courtesy of Abuya Young. I don't really know her YouTube, so I can't really link it, but I mean, she's here. She's not here, but she helped. She gave me this video idea. And so now I'm taking it basically. So shout out to Abuya Young. And also shout out for my friend. So if you're shout out to these people. Nicholas, Chloe, Jay, and Abuya. But mainly Abuya, because she was the one who helped me get this video idea. Well, what I should do. So I'm trying to make this video short because my phone is about to die.
You're going to design soon.
Come on. Okay, so basically in this video, I'm just going to be talking to villagers and I'm saying hey to the villagers in my campsite. If you guys will see the villagers in my campsite, and I've already seen her, I like her, she's cool, she's cool. And hello. For the reason this place has a baby and a squirrel, a wolf. Let's pause and read this if you want. I don't want to read it. But anyways, I'm going to leave her to be. And I've convinced her to move into my island. So, hey. Well, you guys are basically just going to see me talk to my Animal Crossing villagers. And also, I have a bunch of other accounts who you might see if they all come to my house and listen how I will come in. And they don't actually have Animal Crossing, and that's why they have accounts here. And also, I'm going to actually read this one. Hi, how's my best buddy or bestie? Let's chat. I'm tired of seeing striking a pose. It's an important life skill. Never knowing my need to pose. Wait, do I already have that? How do I do the emo? How do I do it? How do I do it? Also guys, this is my town hall idea. Also, thank you Jay. I didn't really ask him, but thank you to Jay for letting me copy that design. Shout out to him, like I did. And then, shout out to you for watching this video. Okay, I'm gonna go type it. Wait, no. I think these scaredy fish are just afraid of my huge bulging mouth. Oh my god, anyone cares. Okay, let's go in here. Oh yeah, she's working. Sorry, I'm in the middle of something right now. What are you up to? she gave me, I not clapped it, but put it in there. Oh my god. Adjust this. How do I adjust the camera? Please be able to so cute, guys. I'm gonna cry. That's the first time in King Villager I've ever seen on my island. Seeing it on my island. Oh my future. Thanks for coming around. Let's talk. I had the bazaar dream last night. Last night I go to bazaar, so I am making a great big patch of tomato salad over the Hug's place. But he won't let me cook. He keeps telling me to add stuff like hot cocoa or gingerbread. So I do. I throw it all in there. I give it a good spoon. Serve it up for us. And hey, tasted pretty good. Woke up and I bet you can guess what? I did next. Yeah, dreams aren't real, you know. Yuck. Oh God, you know what? What have you done? Well, I think I've visited all my villagers. I visited Pom Pom, Boots, Livia, and the Frog, and the Squirrel, who was just not moving in. Well, I guess you guys have better go. I'm just gonna catch like maybe one fish before I go. Because it's late at night. I'm probably have to go to sleep soon because I'm going to sleep at 9:30. And I can't tell time. I just like that. My clock is disconnected. I hate this. Well, I'm not gonna, wait, actually, no, I can't tell time from Animal Crossing. Because I'm like, it's 8:12. Oh my gosh, I actually do have a bit. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm gonna sell things to the Nooks. Then I'm gonna go. Put out supplies out the Nooks, or even awaken that stuff. Well, actually, like from like 5 a.m. to p.m. I think. So 5 a.m. to and p.m. to 8 a.m. and p.m. Okay, so something in the claims. So not the song. Ooh, I'm gonna buy that. I'm going to buy that. Oh, actually, no, I'm kidding. I like this one. If only saw that. Also, I'm going to be giving this to someone at the end of this video. And that's about it. Yes, please. Guys, we'll see in a second. Also, I'm going to freaking look at this. Like I said, in a server zone, I could have owned that if I would. Before I saved up 100, but then I used it to pay my freaking bill for the house, like the in-game house. And now I freaking just realized that was an idiot move. That's what I feel like. I'm gonna be able to which part is that? Oh yeah, that poster. Okay. So guys, I've been needing to do something and I think it's finally time. Plus I'm gonna see something as well. Plus I'm gonna check in with Isabel. Oh, Aiden, hello. Where did you find the place for us to build a new home? Well, of course. Oh, final need. You don't want to give a customer waiting, so proceed to construction speed. We want our new I want friends to start the as quickly as possible. After all, this has got me thinking. We could predict when someone will want to move in. Discovering to secure a plot with the EDS is too much business. Yes, of course. It's improving process infrastructure. Whoa. I'll have to charge a small processing fee, but it will be buyer who moves around in. I'll get you a milestone as a reward. And I do hope I can count on your help again. First of all, Fancy Games is about, let's do this so fast. Gain of miles. Baby. Withdraw. Next one. Okay, so now let's go back. So we're going to look at redeem Nook miles over us. So that's phone fix. Okay. In case. Okay. Now I'm done looking at stuff. Now it's time for me to check in with Isabel. Check in. There we go. Please, don't hesitate on me. I'm going to change my intro. Oh, good. Okay, now I also want to talk to Tom Nook. This is a good time to how can I help you? Okay, I'm good. Now, so since I can, okay, I'll pick it up from there. Okay guys, now to end out this video, I'm going to sell a couple, actually, no, I think I've sold everything I can. Yeah, I've sold everything I can to the Nooklings. So, this is the final thing I have to do. Say hello to this guy. Good evening, buddy. I don't take donations for a lot, but my goal is 98,000 bells. So I have 127 bells in donation. You want music? We need 97. If you can spare a single bell, then we can help. Friend, sure, I'll help. As much as possible. Yeah, music for donate. There's the sport jump. I want to actually have a good talk with this guy if I can. Maybe not the dog. I see. Oh, that's what it's wood in the pizza pod. Okay. So now, last couple of things I'm going to do. Catch some cool bugs like this. Tiger beetle. So I'm gonna sell peaches at my island. I'm gonna sell both of these fruits. Actually, now basically all I need, cause I have apple juice, chili, peaches, and now from J, so it's how I start with J again. Now I have pears, which means all I need now is, dang, I just need one more fruit. Okay, it's not what I need to do. Okay. Yeah. So, come to the green. It says, of course, what you need, I want to sell. Because now I feel like I sell that. Oh, God. That was just so my best thing. I want to sell. Now I'm going to offer peaches, pears, and peaches. They both start with a P. Hold on. 300. Holy Jesus. Now if I go here, what if they appear all the way at the bottom? Or does that like take a day? Yep, it just takes a day. Oh no, it only does for your mate. Oh my God, that's such an idiot me. Okay guys, in this video, I'm gonna catch fish. Let's try as well. But if I catch this small fish right here, first try, you have to subscribe. I have 2 nets. That's not needed. But this. I can't do that. So you know what? Next bug I see, I'm catching it. I don't care what type of bug it is. If it's a bug, I'm catching it. But if I catch, oh, guys, here's what I'm about to do. I go in here and you name one of my sets. I'm going, you're gonna have, after this I'm gonna do something. Okay, I know what she's looking after, but okay, I'm kind of sewing with my shoe and so I can chat, but thanks for stopping by. Okay, I know she's not even going to talk. Because now I'm going to you. So now sit down. I got the $100 and I got the little tickets. Fake no. I'm a bag. But that doesn't look like my leg glasses. You made a beanie for your beanie. Whoa, but is that your beanie? My own cousin will tell you it's so weird. Wait, I can actually use a ticket. I can't. I forgot about the tickets. I forgot.